GG1 going across the vertical lift bridge. How about GG1 that's carrying the camera car with it on the flatbed? It's a three-way passing right there. The high-speed train in the background. And there's a high rail truck. He's been chasing that high-speed train for like a good 10 minutes now. I don't know where I think the high rail train's chasing that. I think the high rail truck's chasing that train. He disappeared somewhere. Where'd he go? Oh, he's all the way over there. There's the high rail truck. He's just slowly chasing the high-speed train. There's the high-speed train. It's going the other way now. There's the GG1 in the background. There's a little light freight train going across to the left. Here's the high rail truck. He's still on the move. He's still on the chase. Oh no, he's catching up. He's catching up a little bit. Oh, there's a pass right there. So much movement going on. I love it. There's a SC44 Charger in the middle. Oh, the high rail truck went low. High speed train went high, the high rail truck went low.
I think the high rail is like...
It was over here.
Yeah, where did it go?
It went low, so I guess it's there. We go. There it is. It gets me. There's this party going on inside of this dome car. This observation car has got it going on right now. You see them? They in there partying. High-speed train came back. I think we're in here on the GG1 coming through the station. GG1 and high-speed train. It's the Cascade coming back. Oh, well, we got two different types of chargers. That works.
You can do that. Or side plates. Yeah, we need to clean this.
Oh, you got the ultra wide on the iPad. Now you'll see everything.
That's smart. What about it?
So this is just some kind of, okay. So electro diesel train going on.
What the Wi-Fi is right now? Oh. So, Vaughn, can you rescue that? What's up? Up here, over here, over here.
Oh.
Well, we have GG1 and he's being chased by a charger.
They won't let the GG1 go full out.
Yeah.
Be embarrassing.
They were coupled at one point. The charger was coupled to the caboose back here, but they separated them, but now charger just kind of chasing them. Yeah, they playing freeze tag. GG1 got a little headway on it now, but charger ain't too far behind. Oh, over and under chargers. There's the charger. The GG1 has disappeared into the tunnel, and that's coming around underneath. Oh yeah, he got some distance away from the charger now. He said, "We out of here." There goes the GG1. There's freight there, and the charger's coming around underneath. If you can see the blue light from it. If you come over here a little bit, past the vertical lift bridge, you can see the high-speed train. So we're gonna have 3 trains at once here. 4 trains. Okay, wait a minute. 5. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. It's stated in this one spot. Everybody ended up on video together.
We got about 8 of them rolling. It gets busy.
I see. That stayed in this one spot. They all kind of. Oh, here we go. Charger and charger again. Over and under. Whee! There's the GG1. He made a getaway. Now they're passing. Get the GG1 coming back the other way. Whee! So like I'm standing at Portal Bridge. Oh, well, passing the high-speed train. Oh, charger passing high-speed train. Over and under. Whee! Oh, well, there's the bridge going up. I was gonna get it on camera. Why not? That is so cool. With the counterweights on the inside. That's hot. And down it goes. And there's the counterweight going up. And the bridge comes down. That is beyond cool. Oh, look at the high-speed train. It's slowing down. There's the charger over there. Another charger over there. It's the ALC over there. The SC's over here. Over and under again. You have to get all three of them together. Oh, we have lighting. All three together.
My eyes!
Right. Whew. Sheesh. It's not ready.
The illusion is broken.
They're right. GG1 in the distance.
Where's that stick at?